Damn, look at this thing. Wanna come?
I guess.
This is the Nintendo store elevator. Holy shit, this thing is tiny.
Huh?
Take a picture of us.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I locked it. Of course I did. Oh my god, we're going back down.
Look at this thing. It has a capacity of 700 pounds. 4 people. It's a Flexi-Lift. Never heard of this brand. Let me see. Oh.
I like that.
Literally, look at that. Yeah, man, it has the yes/no fix feature. Okay, let's get out. I can't breathe. Look at that. Damn. Oh, let's just go up now.
Yeah, there you go. Where are we going?
Look at that.
Teeny tiny elevator.
No, I don't like this.
What's yes and no for?
Oh, that's weird. It actually lit up when you said that. It's for when you get stuck in an elevator. That thing will ask you questions and you push yes or no, depending on. Don't push it again. It already activated.